We're back with another one, and it's PPF. I know. But we're going to try and make this one a bit more interesting. So we're going to go out and do some cleaning on the car in a second. So if you like car cleaning, that would be interesting. G on PPF, the van that we've just done, this one. If you saw the video last week, that was matte PPF, bulk fitment. We are doing gloss or clear PPF template fitment this week. So we're going to put some of these rolls in the machine over here. We're going to cut some shapes, apply them to the Skoda VRS that's out in the bay, just about to get washed. Let's go and wash it. We'll cut some templates and we're going to show you how to template fit a front bumper. We're washing cars. Yeah. I don't know, there's a bucket, there's some sponge, going to get some water, deionized obviously, so it doesn't leave watermarks all over it. And then yeah, we just got to clean the front end, because that's the only bit we're doing. So we'll just leave the rest of the car dirty. Can you imagine if someone actually did that? Clean. No one wants to watch you clean in a car. That's not fun. Washed, dried, polished. All I've got left to do is prep it. So isopropanol or G-on prep, whatever you want to use. And then we can go and cut some templates and show you how to template fit PPF to the front of a Skoda. Right, let's go and get a laptop. What? Did you see my password? G-on PPF cutting software. There it is. Ooh, wrapped complete vehicle kit. We want, apparently there's a magic button. Oh, there it is. That is the front of a bumper. And cut. It's cutting a shape that you can't even see. So this is exciting as well. Need some good color wraps to come in. If you watch the channel when you want your car wrapped, then let us know, because you can't see what this is doing. So this is just about as much fun as watching me wash the car. So look at this, a beautiful sheet that you can't see any shapes on. So now we've got to basically pull all the excess off. We will be left with a pretty pattern, hopefully in the shape of a front bumper for a Skoda. And this is called weeding, not like in the garden. Such an old joke that people say that. It's quite hard to see without the green cap sheet. So Steck, this isn't Steck, this is G-on, but Steck put a green cap sheet on that you can see all the shapes that you've cut. Really good feature. This brand doesn't have it, but it's okay. We can still just pull it off and then you can see the shapes which are left. We just need to pull this off. And if you can't see, then use your, whatever you call it, diagram, and then you can see where your shapes are. It's always handy to keep it, but this is in real time, I think, and as you can see, it's not too bad to do. Ding. One bumper. Cutting the shape out, the main bit of the bumper, and that's what the video is about. We're going to show you how to fit the main bit of the bumper, because the other bit is just little shapes and templates, whereas this is the main bit. That's what we're going to go with. Come on, let's go. What is the most important thing with PPF? Do you know?
Cleanliness.
That's pretty important, yeah. I would say temperature. Temperature is like really important. It is 18.9 degrees in here, 19 degrees. You see that? And as it's cold outside, we've got to be warm in here. Bucket of solutions. So top tip, today's top tip is a bucket warmer. I don't want to hear what else it looks like. So in here are Tack solution, PPF lift. So that's if I make a mistake, I can spray this underneath it and it won't mark the glue on the material and my slip solution. I normally got a big tank for slip solution, but this is adequate for today. That is all in there in hot water because the warm of liquids, fluids, whatever you want to call them, help in the aid of fitting PPF. If you're out in the cold doing it in the snow, your solutions and your Tack solutions aren't going to work. They're just going to do nothing. A nice warm Tack solution, a good warm environment, and yes, cleanliness, hence the rubber mat. That damn heater is so loud. So we've got to wait for the heater to turn off, otherwise it's going to blow crap in our material. I am cleaning. So before the PPF goes on, you always just spray the bumper and then squeegee the water off. I do this twice, and it's just to remove any dust or anything like that you may. Contaminants, there's that word. I'm just literally that's the first time. So I'm just going to spray it again. This is my slip solution. I haven't picked up the wrong one. Right, and again, here we go. Just cleaning the dust off. Nearly there, and then we're going to go to the peel board, peel the material off. Oh, and then Ryan, you're going to help fit because my subbies aren't here today. Right, there's enough bubbles. Let's go. To the board. Dun, 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 dun. Right, upside down, back to front. So again, more water, keep the dust down. Spray, even though it's the back of the material, we still spray. And then we spray fingers. Could wear gloves if you want. All right, and now we need to peel the backing off of our PPF. And we need to keep it wet. Yes, this is quite time consuming. Oh yeah, Ramsey and Willow, they're not here today. They're not allowed in on PPF days. Here we go. Don't let it go just yet, please. Let's get some Tack solution and let's get some points lined up. Some people do the middle. If it had sensors in the middle here, they would be quite a good reference point to line up. And then you can work the stretch round either way, but it doesn't have any sensors there. So I'm probably going to use maybe this corner here and here, and then we can look at the toe-in eye cut out. And then potentially we can start, well, not potentially, then we can start moving around. I call them butterfly cuts or corners. You want the middle bit, the domey bit, to be on the corner, and then that will give us two little like flaps or overlaps to go into the bumper. So we want just a little bit of tack in there, and then we can line that up. We want that just about there, and then we just put a little bit of squeegee, squeegeeing on there. That's where our corner needs to go. Let's go to this side quickly. Nice. And then we can squeegee that down there. So if you look and zoom in, and the little flaps, you see them? So now we can work this one here. Again, a little bit of tack, get the corner lined up. There we go, and because that's got a little bit of stretch in it, this is now tight around the light. You always push the PPF, don't pull it. You always push it. This one here, we can reference. So we're literally just doing light tacks to make sure it fits well and that everything lines up, and then we can go around and move it around if we need to. Sensor. So that hole needs to obviously line up with the sensor. So normally a bit of stretch downwards is needed, down and in. We can line the sensor hole up and squeegee that down. That's perfect. Our corner there is good. Our corner there is good. That looks good. There's a little bit of excess material there, but I think that will go when we do this bit here. So that is all tacked in. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Right, that's about right. So if we get that down, only up to the thickness of the number plate bit. We're not going mad yet. So it's got these cutouts here in the material where there's like a recess in this bumper. Okay, so something I like to do is once you've squeegeed something down, wipe the water off the top of it so you can see if there's any contaminants. There's that word again, you see? This isn't the easiest one to do, That needs to come out, and the only way to get that out is to pull this back round.
That is it, it's at the end of the panel.
Right, that's fine, that's better. Just give it a quick wipe over, make sure we haven't missed any massive bubbles. That's one side. We don't need to show you the other side because we've shown you this side. There's a little bit of compression here. I think that'll be all right by the time it dries out. It's already long in here, so we're gonna have to trim the template a little bit. And some templates you do have to trim, others you can get away with. But the key points, everything lines up. So it runs along this line nicely. It lines up there in the corners. So it's a little bit long in there, so we'll just have to trim the PPF. But I couldn't pull it any longer, any more around here, because we then had it wouldn't have lined up there. So that will be fine. Once it dries out, that will go down properly, and then we can tuck the material under the bumper. You can see it's already starting to go down. That's template fitment on a, what is it? A Skoda?
Kodiak.
Kodiak, oh there you go. Don't even know what it is that we're working on. We've also got to do machine polish on the rest of the car and put a Geon ceramic coat. Infinite warranty on PPF with Geon for as long as you own the car, and also infinite warranty on ceramic coats as well for as long as you own the car. So it's not transferable warranty, so you can't sell it and say, oh, it's got infinite warranty, because the warranty stays with you. Template fitment, PPF, we've done this side, just got to finish this side off. That's a game changer. Should do more template fitment. But remember, remember to like, subscribe, hit the bells, hit the notifications, wherever Ryan's gonna put them, I don't know. And yeah, thanks for watching.